Good morning, students. Today we will discuss how to write a story. First, it is very important to know what is story writing. It is an art which can be perfected only with practice. Short stories are fictional narratives based on the beginning or outline, hence clues that can be verbal or visual as mentioned in the question. What is the purpose of writing a story? The purpose is to improve your creative and imaginative thinking. A story usually narrates an incident with its associated happenings or may expand on one thought or idea. It is work of fiction or imagination that is usually written in easily understandable grammatical structure with natural flow of speech. It is meant to be read at single sitting and therefore it should be as direct and brief as possible. Now, to write a story, we should follow the key elements. There are 5 key elements of story writing. Number 1 is theme. Theme is the main idea. It may be a message, moral, an abstract idea, a lesson learned, a problem, etc. Number 2, plot. Plot is the logical sequence of events which leads to the conclusion. The type of plot may be adventurous, scary, a mystery, suspenseful, comic, etc. Plot is flesh and muscles of story writing. It comprises events and characters' actions. More creatively you describe and logically connect the events and actions, stronger the plot would be, and stronger the plot you create, better interest would it generate among readers. A plot has start, body and end that are linked sequentially by events and character actions. Number 3, setting. Setting is the background or location where the action takes place. It may be realistic or fictional. The setting is often decorated with descriptions of scenes such as supermarkets, house, crowded metro train or drizzling evening. Again, unlimited list. These descriptions are very important to make reader immerse in the plot. Story writing that has setting of few hours may typically be clearer and more effective than with setting of few months or years. Number 4, character. A character is someone or something that takes part in actions depicted in the short story. The story usually has people, animals, or other living creatures, but they must be based on real life to give the story a credibility. Usually, there is one main character in the story with other minor characters to support the plot. The golden rule for selecting characters in story writing is fewer are better. Number 5 is mood or atmosphere. So mood or atmosphere, you have to keep in mind it may be cheerful, happy, tense, scary, suspenseful or neutral depending on the question. So these are the 5 elements we have to keep in mind while framing a story. Next, here are some tips for writing a good story. If you'll adhere to it, if you'll follow the tips, your story will come out very well. So, what are the tips? Let us discuss. Before beginning to write, form a clear idea about the plot. You must know how the story is going to unfold and ultimately end. If you can start well and end well, your story will certainly be a good one. Then adhere to the outline given. That is, neither omit any point nor distort the order of the points given in the outline. This is very important. Then connect the points in such a manner as to come up with a coherent composition, or else the unity in the story as one whole will be lost. Then you may insert dialogues wherever possible. Dialogues certainly make the story interesting. These dialogues should be short, lively and interesting. Then give names to characters. Even animals can have names. If you are using any character which is an animal like dog, you should give a name to the dog. And these names should be short and interesting one. And let your story not be unduly long. Adhere to the word limit prescribed. If it is mentioned 150 to 200 words, do adhere to the point, the word limit. The importance of the conclusion cannot be overlooked. It leaves a lasting impact on the reader. Then give a suitable title to the story. You may name it after the main character, object, incident, or proverb, quotation. It depends on you. Then write the story in the past tense. Use short sentences to write your story. Remember, if you write long winding sentences, the meaning of what you want to convey might be lost. And do not use slang. We do not write the way we speak. We use unnecessary words, but while framing a story, we should avoid using those type of words. Go through your story. This will help you to refine it and omit all unnecessary details. Also edit the mistakes in punctuations, grammar and spelling. These are the points which will help you out, the tips which will help you out to write a good story, to frame a good story.